Hello, my name is Tommy Johns. I'm a magician, a puppeteer, a pretty funny guy, but mostly I'm a reader. I love to read. Did you know that if you're a good reader, you can learn to do almost anything? If you're a good reader, you can have all kinds of adventures. If you're a good reader, you can meet all kinds of people. And if you're a good reader, you can travel to all kinds of places in your imagination. Today I'm here with my good friend Roosevelt. Roosevelt is a rat. Now, he's not a real rat. He's a rat puppet. And when you get to meet him, you'll know right away that he's not a real rat. You know he's not a real rat. I know he's not a real rat. Roosevelt doesn't really understand that he's not a real rat. He thinks he's real. Let me bring him out. Hey, buddy. Hey, wake up, wake up. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, look. He's waving at everybody. He loves to do that. He's such a friendly guy. Okay. All right, Roosevelt. That's enough. I think you've waved at you've waved at everybody who's watching. Roosevelt, what are you going to do today? You're going to do a magic trick? Ladies and gentlemen, Roosevelt would like to do a magic trick. Listen, would you stop applauding? You haven't done anything yet. Roosevelt, stop it. What are you going to do? You're going to do a card trick? Really? Oh, using these cards? Oh my goodness, these are the biggest cards I've ever seen. Let's see if we can get these. Pick them up. There we go. All right, Roosevelt, we've got three cards. We've got two kings and an ace. Oh, he says the middle card is his favorite card. The middle card is his favorite card. He says he can find the middle card anytime. I'm going to mix up the card. Oh, yes, I have to. Stop it. Please don't interrupt. If I don't mix up the cards, all you have to do is find the middle card. That is not a magic trick. No, it is not. No, it is not. Fine. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see the most boring card trick ever. My friend Roosevelt is going to find the middle card. Ready? Fastest card trick in the world. Go! Roosevelt. Roosevelt, what are you? Oh, you're magicking the cards. Fine, magic the cards. Just do not try to hypnotize the audience. Roosevelt, stop trying to hypnotize the Roosevelt. Roosevelt, that is not even how you hypnotize. This is how you hypnotize. You move something back and forth in front of somebody. You move it back and forth slowly. Say, you are getting sleepy, sleepy. Then you snap your fingers and they fall asleep. He's hypnotized. Ladies and gentlemen, I have hypnotized Roosevelt. I can put his paws together. He can't move. He can't do anything because he is hypnotized. No, I heard somebody say, no, look, I can tickle his whiskers. He doesn't like it when I tickle his whiskers, but he can't do anything about it because he is hypnotized. No, I will prove it to you. Hey, Roosevelt, are you asleep? See him and say, wait a minute, Roosevelt, you were tricking me. Okay, well, listen, boring card trick, three cards, the middle card, find the middle card. Go! And ladies and gentlemen, he has found the middle card, which means he didn't pick the kings, pick the ace. Not a very good magic trick, but at least we're done. So thank goodness. It's what? Yes, it's your favorite card. It is our favorite card. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a library card. And with a library card, you can learn to do all kinds of things, have all kinds of adventures, meet all kinds of people, and travel to all kinds of places in your imagination. Let's give Roosevelt a big round of applause. All right, very good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Roosevelt Rat and Tommy Johns. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.